Hey guys, it's Nate doing the Sunday chart review for 11.1 through 11.5. First things first, head over to the website, look over the risk disclaimer, and it's also found inside the Discord. So make sure you look over the entirety of that. If you have any questions, please let me know. So getting started into this week, we've got AMAT, and I like the weekly hammer it put in. But not just looking at the inside day. I look for the inside week up move over 138, and then up 140, 142.5. So see if it can get going there. Triple D, double inside day in this upward channel. See if as long as it holds this bottom part of this channel here, take the double inside day up. Earnings not this week but following week, and then I look at the 30 calls there. Fubo been spectacular since our breakout over here, 24.5 area and 26. Now it's consolidating. Kind of expected it. You see this consolidation here. Sort of similar situation here. So as long as they break out here, then I'd look for the higher move there. So potential long swing here. But I'd like to see them clear 30, 31 and really push up higher. Lilly, good earnings reaction here on the outside day from earnings, and then be looking off this inside day here, and then it went, I believe, inside month. Yes, inside month. So see if they can't take it up, get over September's high of 261 essentially there. Love has some air quotes outages this weekend. So I'm not sure if how that will play into tomorrow, but and when they open things up. But I do like this Browning formation here. Take it off the inside day up after making some new lower lows here. Push over 47.5, and then looking for a potential swing there with some 50 calls. Macy's, they came out. This old resistance has now become support. Tagged it here on Wednesday. Come out of this downward trend line, push it for a higher move this week is what I'm anticipating there. MasterCard earnings this past week, new lower lows here, inside day gap here. So see if they can push it up higher this week, over 338.15. Look at some 340 calls there. Push it up towards 350 around this gap is what I'm looking for this week. Mara, I'm not sure if Bitcoin can help them out at all, but I'd like to see it push. So come out of this downward trend line as well. Nothing prior to that, so basically 54 area, and then see if they can push it up to 57.75 once they clear 56.48. McDonald's earnings this past week, nice reaction. Outside day on Friday. See if they can't push it higher over this 246 spot. And then finally, current all-time high right here is 249.95. Like to see it at least tag 250 soon. PG, like to see it come out of this downward trend line over 144 area. Inside this, right in the middle of this Browning formation here. So I'll see if they can push it somewhat higher now. And then give us that direction on up towards 145. SoFi, double inside day on an inside week. Seeing a lot of it. Maybe it can give us something like Lucid did last week. I'd see it take the double inside day up over 2020, and then potential swing with some further dated calls there. Spot had earnings this past week. Nice reaction to earnings. Pausing it on this inside day. I look for them to pause it and then take it on the higher back up over 300. So 30.94 would be my target area this week on it, and then on up after that. So I think it's at a good spot right here. TXN, also another one that had earnings, pausing inside day. They're trying to get this. They're already trying to buy this gap back. So I do like it. Looking at the 190 calls there. And Walmart. So I like it. It's hovering right around 150 again. If they can push over 150, 150.55, then I'm looking for that higher move into the holiday season now. And finally, Zoom. it hasn't really done much if you look at it on the monthly. Pretty narrow range on the monthly. So they tried breaking out this falling wedge here, broke it out a little bit, not much. Narrowly missed going inside weak. So see if they can't push it over 278.26, confirm a reversal up higher, 286.66, 290 spot. Would be my target area. So that's it for the weekly setups. And then the SPY, new all-time highs on Friday, close out the week. Kind of interesting, you had Apple and Amazon with bad earnings, but then markets making new highs. So just continue to stay diligent and mindful of everything. There's some Fed speak this week with FOMC and everything, job numbers. So be mindful of all that. And so you got that this week. And then you got OPEX in a couple weeks. So let's start November off on the right foot and just take it one day at a time. Thanks, guys.